Hey there, what's up guys? This is Theodore from One Player Hangouts, and I want to show you a cool YouTube tip and trick that I recently discovered. So, if you've been keeping up with my videos, you'll know that I recently completed the stream for Star Fox on the Super Nintendo. Hooray! But the question is, now what? Well, I personally want to use the footage from the stream for a couple video projects, some for this channel and some for my primary channel. But if I wanted to do that, I used to have to go to a third-party site that had a bunch of ads and download it through there and just hope that my computer wouldn't get a virus. But YouTube has actually revamped their site. If you notice, the YouTube Studio is in beta mode. I actually went off the screen that showed that. And you can go to any video project that you've done, as well as a live stream, and download it. This is so helpful, it's user-friendly, and I love it. But one thing that I'm actually not certain on is the extent to which this is available to all YouTubers. Because I'm actually a member of YouTube Premium. I pay $10 a month. I guess it used to be called YouTube Red. Personally, I don't mind because I use YouTube in the car if I'm going on a drive to work from my parents' house, or if I have to run an errand. I like listening to long-form videos ad-free and with the phone closed. I also like to go to the gym and put the phone on with like some soundtrack, and you can even download videos from YouTube directly to your phone. If you use YouTube Music, it's also really helpful. But now, I'm pretty sure that YouTubers who subscribe to YouTube Premium also get to download their live streams and video projects. I don't know that I personally want this to be a feature that's excluded from people who don't subscribe to YouTube service, but I understand it as a marketing strategy. Tell me what you think. Would you mind paying that fee to be able to download your videos as I just did? And would it be helpful for you? So if so, how? Let me know. Thanks for watching, and I hope you stay tuned for more streams and videos to come.